In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stylish drop shadow to your text in Illustrator. This is a great technique for giving your text a bit more depth and character. So, whether you're spicing up a presentation or creating a captivating design, adding a drop shadow can make all the difference. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to ensure that you have your text object ready to go. Start by selecting it with the Selection tool. This tool is your best friend when it comes to handling objects, so make sure you're not using the Type tool, as that won't quite do the trick for this task. Once you've got your text selected, navigate over to the top menu and hover over Effect. From there, glide down to Stylize and then click on Drop Shadow. This is where the magic happens, and we begin to give our text that extra pop. Next, the Drop Shadow dialog box will appear on your screen. This box is packed with options that allow you to customize your shadow exactly as you want it. To start, make sure you tick the Preview option. This is crucial, as it will let you see how your shadow looks on the text in real time, adjusting as you tweak various settings. Now, let's go over these settings. First up is the mode. A common choice is Multiply, as it tends to blend the shadow nicely with most backgrounds. Then, you have the Opacity setting. This controls how transparent your shadow will be, so slide it around until you find the perfect balance that complements your text. For positioning, you'll use the X offset and Y offset. The X offset specifies the horizontal distance of your shadow, while the Y offset controls the vertical distance. These give you control over where your shadow appears relative to your text. Adjust them to find that sweet spot that adds just the right drama and realism. The blur setting is where you soften the edges of the shadow. If you're going for a sharper look, keep it low. However, if you want something softer and a bit more demure, increase the blur to taste. Finally, don't forget about the color option. Here you can choose a color that either contrasts or complements your text color. Sometimes, a simple black or gray can do wonders, but feel free to experiment and see what works best for your design. After you've fiddled with all these settings and are satisfied with your shadow, go ahead and click OK. Congratulations! You've just applied a drop shadow effect to your text. If you ever need to edit or remove the shadow in the future, you can easily do so by opening the Appearance panel found under Window in the top menu. In the panel, locate the drop shadow effect tied to your text. Double-click it to modify any settings or simply select it and click the trash icon to remove it entirely. And there you have it, a beautifully shadowed text ready to elevate your design.